Garbage is just a resource that has been misplaced. In the past few decades, filling and incineration are the main methods of garbage disposal. With the development and innovation of technology, our lives have undergone unprecedented changes. The recycling and reuse of resources is no longer limited to the theoretical stage, but gradually entering reality through various sorting assembly lines. In the field of resource regeneration, SENSORT always adheres to the environmental protection concept of technology changes the environment, sorting creates value, bringing a brand new solution for garbage sorting. We have a complete processing workshop, production workshop, and equipment workshop. SENSORT deep focusing sensor-based sorting, optoelectronic sorting, AI intelligent sorting, magnetic separation, eddy current sorting, air separation, electrostatic sorting and other fields. The company has won multiple utility model patents and honors. The company's business covers multiple cities both domestically and internationally. So far, already serving domestic and international renewable resource enterprises, accumulatively providing thousands of customized sorting solutions. We have never given up on the pace of innovation. Through continuous learning and exploration, our equipment is also constantly iterating and updating. In the future, SENSORT will continue to uphold the concept of technology changing the environment and sorting creating value, continuously exploring and innovating, committed to becoming a leading global provider of resource regeneration solutions.
SENSORT.
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 Welcome to our factory.
Welcome to SENSORT.
SENSORT. Create a beautiful environment with you.